Let's just dive right into this explainer. Look, we all know the modern consumer demands instant, 24/7 access, right? Everyone is constantly comparing their shopping experiences to Amazon. But traditional retail, it's honestly buckling under the pressure. Between skyrocketing employee costs and super rigid operating hours, the old model just literally can't keep up anymore. Think about the physical limitations for a second. Brick-and-mortar stores have to close early, Sundays often just mean lost revenue, and expanding your retail footprint is incredibly expensive. So you really have to ask yourself, what if a store had absolutely zero staff, no queues whatsoever, and literally never, ever closed? Well, that's exactly where the mobiplus Ease AI Smart Store comes in. And actually, let me be super clear right off the bat. This is not just some glorified vending machine. No way. It is a fully autonomous, AI-powered retail infrastructure layer. We're talking about a serious edge computing machine packed with Jupyter GPUs and HD cameras that deliver completely zero latency recognition. It's a whole different ballgame. The user experience is basically entirely frictionless. It's just tap, grab, and go. You walk up, tap, or scan to open the door, actually grab what you need right off the shelf, and you just leave. That's it. The payment happens completely automatically in the background. No scanning barcodes, no waiting in line. Now, here's an absolutely crucial number for you: 60%. Because customers can actually open that anti-fog glass door and physically touch the items, they naturally discover more things. It turns out 60% of people who go in just looking for one single item end up buying two or more. It drives this massive, natural increase in basket size. Let's put that into perspective with corporate cafeterias. That traditional model is completely breaking down. You're easily looking at upwards of 40,000 euros in annual staffing costs just to offer a pretty limited, outdated variety of food. Now compare that directly to the AI Smart Store. Zero staff, 24/7 availability, and it actually offers premium micro experiences like fresh, healthy bowls or smoothies around the clock. Because it's basically retail as infrastructure, it scales perfectly wherever the demand is. Imagine a late-night, mini 7-Eleven right inside a student housing dorm. Or think about chains like Gemorano's dropping an unmanned, fully autonomous retail footprint right into airports, malls, or hospitals. The flexibility is just incredible. And the underlying value here? It's so much bigger than just selling a bottle of water. Take a hotel generating, say, 10 million euros annually. Providing this kind of 24/7, high-end convenience elevates the entire guest experience. If you improve guest satisfaction by just 10% because of this, you can generate an astonishing 1 million euros in additional annual revenue. That is absolutely huge. Okay, so how do you actually deploy this? It's surprisingly flexible. Option 1 is hardware ownership. You buy the sleek hardware outright, starting around 4,490 euros, and you just manage it yourself. Or option 2, which is zero upfront cost. With this, mobiplus provides the actual infrastructure and handles the replenishment completely risk-free. You just sit back, enjoy the enhanced customer satisfaction, and take a share of the revenue. The future of retail is absolutely going to be about these frictionless, intelligent customer experiences. So, as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with this thought. This massive shift, it's already happening right now. The real question isn't whether this change is coming, it's who is going to be the first to fully capitalize on it.